Guys, I have been in the Marina Mall today, and I can tell you I am amazed at how big their Christmas tree is. It still doesn't feel like Christmas yet, but in this particular area, I mean, like you can see in my background, it's all lights and lights and lights and lights, guys. There is a small Christmas tree in most of the shops, in most of the restaurants. It's just amazing. I just can't hear a lot of songs. I can see people dressed like Muslims, or Muslims with all due respect, taking pictures of the Christmas tree. And yeah, so basically it's all good feels in this mall. I think I liked it better than I liked Dubai Mall. And yeah, so I'm doing more of touring in the malls to just find out which one has the best Christmas tree. The noise is up, and you know, it's a mall, it's a public place, so of course the volumes are going to be loud. Anyway, a little bit about this mall. If you want to grab coffee, food, do a little bit of shopping, and yeah, basically, and oh, they have snow skating, like ski. I don't know how to say, but let me go and find about it, then I'll tell you about it. But I know it is as cold as it could be anywhere in the world, enough for you to do ice skating. Yes, so this is not just a mall, it's a place where you can come to experience all the beautiful things, the food, the culture, the people, the Christmas spirit. I mean, every little thing that you'd love to enjoy about being the outdoors. Dubai malls, or the malls in Dubai, are not just about shopping and shop after shop. There's actually lots of adventures too. So I'll see you later, okay? I'm still on the hunt for the biggest Christmas tree in Dubai malls, and today I am in Marina Mall, still on the hunt. So enjoy this one. Guys, I think I have found the biggest outlet of Christmas trees in Marina Mall. Like, how gorgeous is this? How gorgeous is this? Just too many Christmas trees in this, and I don't even know which one is the best. Well, there are lots of Christmas trees in here, that's for sure, but there is no song that is showing or playing, or it's just silent. Just lots of Christmas trees, but it is very silent in here. Are you ready for it? I mean, are you ready for it? Are you? See myself here? Yay! Let's go! Yay! No way! Oh my god! This is what I came here for. I mean, gee, guys, this is just amazing. Wow. Gee. It's a whole space full of all these Christmas trees. My God. Gee. Oh. Tell me this is not the grand one we've been looking for. Jeez. It's very incredible. Like, I'm speechless right now. Yay. And there is a very beautiful set of chairs. So in case you want to take pictures, this is the perfect place. Oh my God. But it's locked right now, so I can't get in there. So guys, after looking at that Christmas tree, it's right behind me. I don't think I need to search for anything in this mall anymore, because that was just amazing. The noise is just a little bit loud. I don't know if you can hear me, but if you do, what do you think of that Christmas tree? What do you think of it, guys? Like, it's just so amazing, and this mall is amazing as well. So all you can get here is a lot of lights, like lights and lights and lights. A lot of people are here having fun. You can see it's lights, 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 like lights everywhere. So tell me what you thought about this beautiful, beautiful, magnificent, English is hard, but I've been in Marina Mall today trying to find a better Christmas tree, and those of you who watched my first videos about the Christmas trees can agree with me that Marina Mall by far has the best Christmas tree compared to Dubai Mall. And I'll be stopping the video here today. Give me the comment on what is your best Christmas tree so far, and what video about Christmas do you think I should do next. I really need your suggestion because I'm out of ideas right now. But other than that, my name is Linzabu. I hope this gets you to subscribe and to like and to share.